Today we'll be looking at inventions that are not patentable. Now there is a separate chapter in the Patents Act which covers inventions that are not patentable. The sections you will find them are sections 3 and section 4. And section 3, as you would know, has many subsections, and it's probably one of the longest list of exceptions to patentability you will find anywhere in the world. Also relevant is section 10 subsection 3 and rule 16 as well. So exceptions, and this is something which you will not find in the Bar Act or in any other commentary, exceptions broadly fall into two categories which you need to understand. Okay, the two categories are absolute exceptions and conditional exceptions. We also have a loose classification of the exceptions. As I said, there are 15 odd exceptions, and we can loosely classify them into four subcategories. Now I'll explain them and it will make sense to you once you see these exceptions and once you read them. The first category will be what we call scientific. Now let's try to classify all the sections within these what we call matrix. Now the first is what we have, section 3 subsection A. Part 1 of 3D, which tells us about a new form of a known substance which does not result in the enhancements of known efficacy of that substance. Now that is part 1. Part 1 is a conditional exception because there is an explanation, and mind you, the explanation is relevant only for part 1. In 3J, microorganism is an excluded category. So microorganisms can be patented. There is a Calcutta High Court decision allowing for patenting of microorganism. Then we have 3H, which talks about method of agriculture or horticulture. Because India is still primarily agrarian, we have this as a policy exception.